I'm sure you've heard the news. It's hot outside, but your Kia Soul's AC isn't cooling you down. First things first, check your car's AC settings. It sounds simple, but sometimes it's the little things that trip us up. Make sure it's set to cool and the fan speed is up. Next, pop the hood and take a look at the AC compressor. If it's not engaging, you might have a problem with the compressor clutch. This is a common issue in older Kia Souls. Another culprit could be a refrigerant leak. Without enough refrigerant, your AC can't cool the air. You can check for leaks yourself or take it to a professional. And don't forget about the cabin air filter. If it's clogged, it can block airflow and make your AC less effective. A quick replacement can do wonders. Lastly, consider the AC control module. Sometimes an electrical issue can mess with the system. A mechanic can diagnose and fix this problem. So there you have it. A few common reasons why your Kia Soul's AC might not be working. Stay cool out there. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.